Hi guys, in this video we'll show you how to install Android head unit on Volkswagen Passat B6, B7 and CC and many other models. We'll remove the RCD310 unit and replace it with Android head unit on Volkswagen CC 2014. You can find Android head unit like this in the video description below. Let's see on the back. So we will plug all the cables in that place, that, and also that. It's very simple to install it. So first you have to remove that frame. So use a trim tool to remove that frame from the center console. You can find trim tool set in the video description below. You can use also the bare hands to remove it. Then remove the cables from the airbag light. You just have to press on that tab from the harness and then take it out. Then you can see all those 4 bolts that you can remove it using a T20 Torx. To protect the gear shift knob using something to cover it. Then take the radio out and place it on the gear shift knob, and then disconnect all the cables from the back. So here is the main harness. This harness is broken. So this is the original harness. So this is how you should remove it. You just have to press on that tab and lift it up. So now we will install the GPS antenna. So connect the GPS antenna to the Android head unit. Then install also the cables from the Android head unit. You can see all the cables are labeled. You should know what every one of them should do. So connect the cables to the new Android head unit. Start with those white harnesses. So there is the only place that you can connect it. You cannot put it in the wrong place. The other one also in the right place. Also the black harness, put it right there. Plug the antenna in that place. You will need this Backup Camera Rearview RGB to converter adapter box for flip badge rear view camera to work. So you will need this. You can find this Backup Camera Rearview RGB converter in the video description below. Then connect this Backup Camera Rearview adapter to the cables from the car. It's very simple. Plug it in. Then connect the antenna cable there. Then place the GPS signal inside above the center console. Insert the cables in. Also, you will need an RCA cable to be able to use the flip badge rear view camera. An RCA cable like that in the image. So you will connect that in that spot. We have an RCA cable improvised because we didn't have that. So connect the RCA cable for reverse camera to the Android head unit and the other end to the backup camera rear view adapter. So there it is. You can find RCA cable in the video description below. So this has an white end, but the original RCA cable has a yellow end, if you can see in the picture, and you can plug the yellow end from the RCA cable to the other end of the rear view camera adapter. This one is white because if you can see, we improvised a cable like this. So you insert it right there in that place. Then connect all the cables from the Android head unit to the cables from the car. Red to red, white to white. And also the main harness connected to the cables from the car, and then you can use some duct tape to isolate that antenna because it will split easily. So then splice together those two cables, brown and yellow, from the backup camera adapter and those two blue cables from the antenna. If you can see, there's 4 cables there. Otherwise your flip badge camera will not work. So you have to splice those 4 cables together. So this is the reverse camera, the brown one, the yellow one. So there's 2 cables from the backup camera adapter and those 2 cables from radio antenna. The yellow one, it says 12 volts on it. So use something to splice it together. Then install the new Android head unit on the center console and put the bolts back. Insert the cables first. Connect the airbag light cables and place the frame back. So you can find Android head unit like this in the video description below. So here is the Google Maps, you can use it. You can use the radio. Here are some apps that you can use it: Waze, YouTube, and many others. You also have iGo navigation. Here's the music from the USB stick. You can insert the micro SD in that place. So now we will start the car and see and check if the rear badge flip camera will open when we insert the gear shift in the rear position. Here it is. The camera, the backup camera is working. So you just have to buy those two RCA cables and the backup rear view camera adapter to access the backup rear view camera. If you have any suggestions about new Volkswagen tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.